So, the other day we watched the Miley and Mandy show, right?
And it was the Scary
Maze
game.
one.
I've done it before, so I knew what it was about. My brother did it to me, of course.
And we did it to our friend,
Leslie
Ann, but we forgot to tape it. So,
well, because we didn't have time. It was like a spur of the moment. We were like, we don't have time to set up a camera.
Game, you know?
It was the most hilarious response ever.
I'll do her response. Ready? She saw it. She was like,
she went into like a fetal position
for like 2 minutes.
And then like I was worried because I was like, oh my gosh, I know it's gonna scream.
I was like hiding behind her because I was like, oh my gosh.
So Brittany's coming over tonight.
I'm from Brittany, yeah. And we have decided that we are going to tape her.
Hopefully she's never done it before. I don't know if she did or not. Hopefully not. And we got the camera set up. It's kind of obvious, but she's kind of oblivious.
Maybe we can
so we can probably
hide something. Maybe we can put like something right here and like distract, and we'll figure something.
We'll figure something out. Well, okay, if she notices, whatever.
Just be like, oh, it's normally on like that.
I don't know. I don't think she'll notice. She's not the most observant person.
So
we're gonna do that. This is before. She's not here yet. We got a little time.
So check out her reaction.
Yeah.
Miley and Mandy, you inspired this act.
Yeah. And by the way, you go to, it's easier, like they say it's at fugly.com, Scary Maze Game. It's easier to just Google Scary Maze Game. And it comes up. It's like the first thing. So yeah.
Do it to your friends, even though they'll hate you, but do it because it's so
Oh my gosh. And definitely, like Miley and Mandy, I got my excuse to get Leslie Ann to do it, is it tells you how shaky your hand is. That's what you tell them. Because otherwise
you have like major ADD or something. Yeah. You know.
Which is, they should have named it something different than Scary Maze Game. Because then it's like, well, obviously.
Well, it's just called Maze Game.
No.
I don't know.
Whatever. Okay, so yeah. We'll see it later.
Wait,
so I want to show you something. Okay, so we were doing this yesterday. Have you heard of the Maze Game?
No.
Okay, so it tells you how shaky your hand is. What is it?
Frappuccino?
Oh yeah. You get the same thing every time, I just don't remember. So it's like the Maze Game, and we did it yesterday, and it like tells you how like ADD you are basically.
Oh goodness.
So it's like me, I was like medium.
Yeah. I have severe ADD. Yeah, I figured.
Here, I'll show it to you. Okay, you can do it. Yeah, here, I have it ready.
What do you do?
You just go through, you have to get to the red part, it tells you.
You can't hit the walls. Here.
Yeah. You can kind of hit the walls, I discovered. It took me like 4 tries to get it. Oh, the sound helps.
So what do
it like warns you. So just play. You just have to move it. You might want to sit up because you just lost.
Oh, what am I supposed to do?
See that little black dot? You're gonna press play. Here, come over here. Oops. Oh. Okay, so press play.
Press play. Don't hit the walls.
Yeah, like that. Cause see, that's it. You gotta get to the red.
Did you do it?
No. There's like 3 or 4 levels. I don't remember how many.
Don't hit the walls.
Okay.
There you go.
Leslie Ann was really bad at it.
Oh. I didn't know you started over.
Okay. Careful.
Trying to see how fast I can
We
go.
gotta try and finish before the commercial break.
I move. No, I'm not doing it on purpose.
I know, because it starts automatically, and so you're like, whoa. Oops. I don't think it matters if you click. Okay. I think there's 3 levels.
Okay. 3 or 4. I don't remember.
I thought I only got to this level.
I don't remember.
I don't know.
Why won't you move?
Oh, darn.
Why did it? It got stuck.
Okay. Yeah, you get kind of sick of it. Dude, you can totally like pause it if you want to break by right-clicking it. It like stays there, I'm assuming. Leslie Ann clicked the whole time. She held it clicked down.
Oh boy! Oh no!
Leslie Ann's reaction. reaction, I have to say. Good thing we got this one on camera.
It doesn't test your ADD, is that